Okay. I'm not helping, am I? Servo. I don't know. I know. Subservient. Servo.
Service station. Petrol station.
That's an insult to Heston Services. Sticky beak. That's what I had this morning.
No.
That's not right, is it? It's wrong. Hang on a second. Sticky beak. Sticky. I've got a sticky. Sticky beak. Oh, of course. Duh. Ripper. Ah, Ripper. That's one of them. It's good. MACCA'S. Kind of like a jackass. MACCA'S. Ah, MACCA'S. Ah, MACCA'S. MACCA'S, my teeth, my dentures. Oh, Big Mac, McDonald's. I don't eat McDonald's. Bottle-o. Can I bottle-o?
No.
DUNNY. DUNNY? I done. It's DUNNY. It's dropping the kids off at the pool. Arvo. That's actually about 4 hours ago. HOOROO. It's like, it sounds like hooray and crying. It's like, is it like an oxymoron? Hello.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Okay. Barbie. A blonde. I mean, it's a Barbie doll, but I'm just thinking it's named for a, no? Barbie. Barbecue! Jesus, when you write it like that, I don't say Barbie. I use the word Barbie. A sparrow's fart. Yeah, it's like, is that it? Is it true?
No, it's
Like
very
really early in the morning. Get up at
But the
Sparrow's
sparrow's
fart.
Thongs, well, their thongs mean, I always get them confused because it's kind of flip-flops and G-string. It's one of those two. Actually, it could possibly be both. It would be easier to wear a flip-flop as a G-string or G-string as a flip-flop. I don't want to have that thought.